Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to join you again at a conference like this after nearly 1.5 years. At the outset, let me place on record my appreciation of the efforts put in by the collectors and others in solving the problems of the people and in ensuring effective implementation of the various schemes and policies undertaken by the state government. I am glad that the district officers, heads of department, and senior officers in the government have met from time to time here again to discuss the important problems facing the state and to set new goals in various activities and developmental programs. I would like to discuss all the issues and come up with solutions. I am happy that to a large extent we have succeeded in translating into action most of the decisions taken in the last conference. I thank everybody for this. Our needs are many. The aspirations of the people are large and we have high ambitions too. I hope and trust that all of you to continue to act not merely as the eyes and ears of the government but as agents of change, a change for the betterment and welfare of the people, particularly weaker sections of the society. In this connection, I need hardly remind you that the institution of the district collector has maintained a unique character in our state. I wonder if I would be exaggerating if I were to say that such an extraordinary combination of functions, responsibilities, and authority cannot be found anywhere in the country. Even within our own state, we all know that no functionary above or below the district collector enjoys such a pride status, including the other district officers. This is largely because of the faith that the governments have placed in this institution. However, I would like to add a word of caution to some of the collectors on the need to maintain good public relations with the people's representatives. The collectors must realize that the non officials have an important role to play in the parliamentary democracy. The collectors must therefore carry the non officials along with them. This will enable the collectors to discharge their functions in a more effective manner. It must be realized that once the non official finds the collector respective to his suggestions, he will assist the district administration in the better implementation of the policies and program. Dear sirs, we wish to introduce ourselves as one of the leading manufacturers of four-wheelers. We are having our authorized dealers in all the important cities and towns throughout the country. In this connection, we wish to bring to the notice of all our customers that shortly we are introducing into the market a new car suitable for long distance travel coupled with comfort. The other technical details will be published shortly in all the newspapers for public information. We have got all the clearances from the Government of India and the concerned state governments. In fact, we have received appreciation letter from Government of India for introducing such a kind of cars to the public which is cost effective. In this connection, we wish to inform our customers that since it is a product which is being released on the occasion of Silver Jubilee celebration of our company, we want to extend credit facility. Yours faithfully,